One of the things that stifles efficiency at a shop is each technician doing things a different way. So one of the things that we bring to the table is custom vehicle inspection forms. We help the shop to determine what's important to them, and we build a form for them and then train their employees how to use that form so that they can get the job done as fast as possible, because ultimately it's about how fast you can get the customer in and out so that the consumer is satisfied.
Mighty's training has helped my staff and myself be on top of and be aware of what to look for on vehicles and how the services and products can help the customer.
So the vehicle inspection process and the vehicle inspection form that we create for our shops allow them to minimize the amount of time that a consumer may be in the shop and maximize the safety of the customer because they're inspecting as many things as possible in the car.